In this lesson, I want to help you get started with Word 2013. Word is a software package that often comes already installed when people purchase computers or laptops. It is also a very helpful tool when doing your work as a teacher. I'm going to demonstrate how to find and open Word 2013 software that has been installed on your computer prior to this module. While this may be a review or update for some, it may also be critical new content for others. Let's get started. So you might be wondering, where is Microsoft Word? I'm not sure if I have it or not. Here's how to find Word and other software programs on your computer. Click on the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on All Programs, then look for the Microsoft Office 2013 folder and click on it. Click on the Word 2013 icon inside the folder. This is probably something you will use a lot. Teachers use blank documents to create students' work and multiple types of communication, including flyers and parent newsletters. You can also have a look at all the templates provided by Microsoft. To create a new document, click on the icon Blank Document. In order to find this document later, it is important that you file it correctly. There never seems to be enough time to file a document in a sensible way the first time. Yet, there is always time spent on searching later when you need it. These are the steps for saving your document. To save a document correctly, you should follow the following steps. Click on the File tab, which is in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Click on the Save As, because this is the first time you are going to save your document. Select the folder Documents, or in this case, My Documents. Click on the folder you've created in the previous lesson. Click Open. Give your file the correct name. Here is a hint. Create a naming convention which you keep to. For example, the who, what, and version number. I'll quickly give you an example. Then click Save. Most often teachers just use the minimum tools or buttons Word 2013 has to offer. Word 2013 has lots more to offer than just the basic typing of letters and text. Let's run through some of the buttons you as a teacher will find useful. At the top of your screen, you'll find the ribbon. In the ribbon, you'll find tabs, for example, Home, Insert, and View. These tabs contain icons. We call them buttons. Each of these buttons has different functions. Let's discuss the Home tab and the buttons it has to offer. Microsoft Word makes it easy to change your text. You can change the size, bold your letters, italicize content, underline and change the color of letters. Let me show you how easy this can be. In the Font dialog box, you can change the font size. Paste, copy and cut we will use when we want to move text from one page to another in a document, or from an alternative document. You can use the following shortcuts or select the buttons on the ribbon. To bold, you'll press the Ctrl plus B key on your keyboard. For italics, you'll press the Ctrl plus I key on your keyboard. To change the selected font size, you can press the Shift key and the F3 key on the top of your keyboard. To change the color of your font, you'll select the text and then go to the Font Color button in your ribbon. It's also fairly simple to change the layout of your paragraphs with just a few clicks. In the Paragraph dialog box, you can fine-tune the layout of the current paragraph, including spacing, indentation, and more. You can also add bullets and numbering. You can left align, right align, center, and justify. In the Styles dialog box, you can preview, manage, and customize text styles in Word. On the left hand side you will see the Find button. This button enables you to find text or other content in the document. Let's look at the Replace button. This button enables you to replace words with something else. With this you can go back to previous creations and just change them for new documents. Have you ever wished you could add those cool pictures and tables like others? The Insert tab enables you to insert tables, pictures, graphs and more. Let's discuss the Insert tab and the buttons it has to offer. Tables often present information in ways that make more sense to readers. These are not as difficult to create as it might appear. In the Tables dialog box you can insert a table. Click on the Table button. Drag over the block to quickly select the table you prefer, or click on the Insert Table to customize your table. Want to make things even a little fancier? In Illustration dialog box you can insert pictures, shapes, smart art and more. Click on the Pictures button to insert a picture on your computer. Click on Online Pictures to insert pictures from the web. Note, this feature will only work with an internet connection. Click on Shape to insert the shape you want. There is a wide range of shapes to select from. Click on the shape you want and hold the left mouse button down and drag to create a shape. Explore by pressing the Shift key while dragging the mouse. To insert Smart Art, you need to click on the Smart Art button. This will give you a list of Smart Art graphics to choose from. For this exercise, we'll select the first one on the list, Basic Block List. You can now go ahead and practice to use WordArt. It will take some practice and a little time, but you can definitely acquire the skill you need to be comfortable using WordArt. Teachers often need to include equations and symbols, especially for maths and science content. This is possible in Microsoft Word. In the Symbols dialog box, you can add equations and symbols. To add an equation, click on the Equation button and select the equation you need, or enter your own. To add a symbol, click on the Symbols button and select the symbol you need, or click on More Symbols if you do not find the one you are looking for. While it might seem hard to believe right now, with just a little practice you'll find the creation and revision of documents so much easier than it has been prior to working on a computer. Before you know it, you'll want only to create documents on your computer. Anywhere else will seem laborious and limiting. You are on your way to using technology to make your job a tiny bit easier. So, what's next? Join me as we look how to create presentations in addition to Word documents. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and that you will join us in the next unit, PowerPoint presentations.